Dear students, today I am going to discuss the topic electric field intensity at a point on the dipole axis. In Assamese, দ্বিমেৰুৰ অক্ষত বিদ্যুৎ ক্ষেত্ৰৰ প্ৰাবল্য. I missed this term, প্ৰাবল্য. Okay, প্ৰাবল্য. Okay. Before going to discuss this topic, I would like to clarify two concepts. One is dipole axis or axis of a dipole, and what is equatorial line or equatorial plane. Let's see here. Suppose this is a point charge minus q and this is another point charge plus q. Suppose they have formed a dipole. Okay, and any line joining this two point charges, it is called axis of the dipole. That means this is the axis of the dipole, and suppose this is the midpoint O. Okay, it is also called midpoint or our center of the dipole. Okay, any line perpendicular to the axis of the dipole making 90 degree, no, this is called equatorial line. Or if you imagine any plane passing through the equatorial line or perpendicular to the axis of the dipole is called equatorial plane. This plane is equatorial plane. We are going to find out what in this topic electric field intensity, net electric field intensity at any point on the axis of the dipole, maybe here, or between the two charges, that means here or here or here. Okay, and in next video we will discuss any point on the equatorial plane or equatorial line. Okay, let us discuss the topic. For exam purpose, I have made a note, and it will be helpful for both CBSE, Assam board, and ICSE board. Okay, this is the diagram, simplest diagram. Minus q and plus q. This is a dipole, and this is the midpoint or center of the dipole, and distance between the two dipole is twice a. For making the calculation easier, we have taken here the length of the dipole is twice a, not a. If we take a, then fraction will come out. Why? Then distance between plus q and o will be what? Now a, and minus q and o is a. But if you take a, then it will be a by 2, this will be a by 2, and calculation will become little bit complicated. And now this is the axis of the dipole. Suppose we are going to find out electric field intensity at point P. Suppose near the positive charge plus q. Okay, it is at a distance r, smaller, from the center of the dipole. That means OP equal to r. Now, due to two charges plus q and minus q, there will be two electric field intensities. Suppose due to plus q charge, what will happen? At point P, electric field intensity will be E vector plus q, and it will be towards right side, that means this direction. Okay, now why? Say there is a for simplicity I have taken a test charge, and we know test charge is always positive, and since this is positive, it will plus q will repel plus q not outward direction, that means towards right, and force will be along this direction. Force per unit charge is called electric field intensity. That is why electric field intensity will be towards right. Similarly, minus q charge will attract test charge plus q not this direction with a force, suppose F. Okay, then F divided by q naught is what? This one, electric field intensity. That means electric field intensity due to minus q will be towards left. Now, if you see this diagram, I have drawn this vector little bit longer than this vector. Why? Plus q is nearer to point P in comparison to minus q. Okay, that's why. Let us discuss the notes. Twice a dipole and দ্বিমেরুর দৈর্ঘ্য. Okay, in Assamese, I would like to introduce the Assamese term also, because the thing is that I want to make my classes helpful for both English medium and Assamese medium students. That's why twice a dipole length. O, midpoint of the dipole length. That means দ্বিমেরুর মধ্যবিন্দু. Okay, and P, a point on the axis of the dipole. That means দ্বিমেরুর অক্ষত এটা বিন্দু, and OP equal to R, distance between O and P. This is the OP. Okay. Now P cap, this one you see, last video I discussed that dipole, any dipole having a what direction, it is the direction is from minus q to plus q. That is why P cap is a unit vector from minus q to plus q. Now electric field intensity at point P due to charge minus q. Due to this charge minus q, what will be the electric field intensity at P? This is a point charge, and in last class we discussed electric field intensity at a point charge due to a point charge is what? E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square. Okay. Now here also we are going to apply the same formula. See here, since this is a point charge minus q, the distance between minus q and P is what? See, all the distances are measured from the center of the dipole. That is why, see here, this is R. That means OP is equal to R. What is the distance? Since this is A and this is the midpoint, sorry, this is twice A and this is the midpoint, that means this distance is A. R plus what? A. That's why, due to minus q, electric field intensity, suppose E vector minus q. Why? Since this is the minus q charge, suffix is minus q. Now 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus q, I have written minus outside this formula. And what is the distance? R plus A whole square. And why unit vector? Because this is in terms of vector, we should multiply a unit vector, and it is P cap. And direction is comma, this is comma, I have written left side, the direction is towards left. And similarly, electric field intensity due to plus q is what? E vector plus q 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by, this is time, this is positive charge, that is why there is no negative sign, divided by r square, but not r square. This is what? Distance between plus q and P. What is the distance? All distances are measured from center of the dipole. That is why this distance is A, and this is what? R. R minus A, that means what? This distance R minus A. That is why R minus A whole square and P cap towards right. Now at P there are two factors, electric field intensities, one along right side, one along left side. That means net electric field, suppose E vector axial. Why axial? Axial means oikho, in Assamese axis. Okay, we are going to find out net electric field at any point in the on the axis. That's why now net electric field is what? E vector plus q and E vector minus q. Okay, now q by 4 pi epsilon naught, this term is constant in both formula, that's why it is outside the bracket. Now 1 by r minus a whole square and minus 1 by r plus a whole square P cap. Now the remaining part, see, calculation is very easy. Now here you may see here what happened. R minus a we may write into r plus a whole square. Okay, since whole square, this square is common. Now after simplification we can write here r plus a whole square minus r minus a whole square. Now since this is a minus b and this is a plus b, that means we may write r square minus a square, that means a square minus b square formula. And this is what? A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square type formula. That means r minus a whole square minus r minus a whole square, that means 4ab, that means 4ar. And little bit rearranging here, and what happened, this q we have taken here, and 4 means 2 into 2, we can write 2 into 2 4, and we may write q into twice a, 1 2 is here. Now why I have written, I want to write this formula in terms of dipole moment. That means, you know, P is equal to q into twice a. This is called dipole moment, in Assamese Dimeru Bhramok. That is why now q into twice a we may write here P, and this 2 is here, and this is R, and this is P cap. This is the net electric field formula for net electric field at any point on the axis of the dipole. Now if, see here once more, you see here, now if R is very greater than A, that means if distance if point P is located far away from the dipole, that means R is very greater than A, then what will happen? We may neglect the term A, that means A square. That's why here if you neglect a square, that means it will become what? 0. 0 means r square whole square means r to the power 4, r to the power 4, and we may simplify, we can cancel this r on r here, that means it will become r cube. Now see, dipole moment for a particular dipole is constant, because why? Q is constant, twice A is constant, and 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is constant. That's why this term is constant. That means E is axial is inversely proportional to 1 by r cube. This is the formula, and next video we will discuss electric field intensity at any point on the equatorial line or equatorial plane. Till then, goodbye.